Welcome. How to solve this an interesting exponent algebra problem, given that 2 to the power of 2x squared all divided by 4 to the power of x equals 16. So the first thing we are going to do is, since we have the smallest base, which is 2, and 4 can be expressed as 2 to the power of 2, while 16 is also 2 to the power of 4. So we try to do that. So here it becomes 2 to the power of 2x squared divided by 2 to the power of 2 all raised to power x equals 2 to the power of 4, which is 16. So the next step is, when these two multiply x, we have 2 to the power of 2x squared divided by 2 to the power of 2x equals 2 to the power of 4. So, and by the rule of exponent, which is division, when we have the same base and different power, it means that we are going to take one base and subtract the power. Here we have 2 to the power of 2x squared minus 2x, as this division has changed to negative, equals 2 to the power of 4. So at these two sides we have 2 and 2, which means 2 cancelled 2. And we are going to equate the powers together, which is 2x squared minus 2x. So when I transfer this 4 to this left hand side, it changes to minus, equals 0. So here we have a common factor, which is 2. So by taking out 2, or let's say I divide everything by 2, this divide by 2, this divide by 2, and this also divides by 2. So again, we divide this one by 2. So this cancelled, and 2 here is 1. So 2 here is 2. We have this as x squared minus x minus 2 equals 0. So on getting this, here is a quadratic equation, which we can solve it by applying the quadratic formula, given that x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. And from this question, the value of a is 1, b equals minus 1, and c equals minus 2. So we try to substitute all these in this formula, and hereby we have x equals minus open bracket minus 1 plus or minus the square root of minus 1 square minus 4 bracket 1 open bracket minus 2, so and all divided by 2 bracket 1. So the next step is x equals minus multiplied by minus, that is plus 1, plus or minus the square root of minus 1 square is 1, minus multiplied by minus, that is plus, then 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2, that is 8, all divided by 2. So the next step is, we have x equals 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 plus 8, that is 9, divided by 2. I know that square root of 9 is a perfect square, so where we have x equals 1 plus or minus 3 divided by 2. And again we have x equals, so we separate this with plus and minus. For the plus, we have 1 plus 3 divided by 2, while we have the other part of x, which is 1 minus 3 divided by 2. Therefore, x equals 1 plus 3, that is 4 over 2. So So and x equals 1 minus 3, that is minus 2 divided by 2. And here x equals 2 and here x equals minus 1. So here are the solutions that satisfy this problem in this interesting exponent algebra problem. So thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting math content like this and more. I will see you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.